Hello, lovely readers. It's Miss Jen, and welcome to Blossom Storytime. Today we are reading I'm My Own Dog. I hope you enjoy. If so, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I'm my own dog. Nobody owns me. I own myself. I work like a dog all day. When I get home, I fetch my own slippers. I curl up at my own feet. Sometimes, if I'm not comfortable, I tell myself to roll over, and I do. If someone told me, sit, I wouldn't do it, even if they said, I'll give you a bone. Sometimes I throw a stick. Then I go get it. It's fun. Every morning when I look in the mirror, I lick my own face because I'm so happy to see me. I say, good dog, I am a good dog. Then I give myself a good scratch. But there's one spot I can't reach, right in the middle of my back. One time I got it so bad I let someone else scratch it. The little guy followed me home. I felt sorry for him. So I got a leash. How else am I supposed to lead him around? Come on, I say. Come on, boy. I'll take you to the park. I like showing him things. Look, look, look. That is a squirrel, I say. I taught him the stick game. I have him throw. I don't know if he understands all my commands yet, but he's learning. Sit, sit, good boy. Some folks say they're not worth the trouble. You can't keep them from yapping. And you always have to clean up after them. But I've grown attached to the little fella. Between you and me, I'm his best friend.